Have you ever felt like you've reached your limit? That moment of silence where your thoughts no longer bring you comfort, when your heart gets tired of pretending it's okay, and even breathing feels like carrying the weight of the entire world. We all reach a point where life tears us apart, not to destroy us, but to rebuild us from within. And it is in this rupture, that's where the real transformation begins. Because healing isn't about forgetting what happened. It's about understanding what shaped you. It's the moment when you stop asking yourself, "Why me?" and start asking yourself, "What is this trying to teach me?" It's not about becoming a new person. It's about remembering who you were before the pain. The psychology of rebirth begins the day you stop running away from yourself. Everything you've been through was never meant to destroy you. It was meant to awaken you. Before we delve deeper into this journey, tell me, where are you watching this from? Have you ever experienced a moment that completely transformed you from the inside out? Comment below. I really want to read your story. And if you believe in this kind of transformation, subscribe and share this video so that this message reaches other people who also need it. The journey of rebirth always begins in silence. Not in a therapist's office, not in a book, but in that moment of tranquility when you finally stop running away from yourself. Self-awareness is the light that exposes everything we try to hide. The anger you buried, the fear you masked, the sadness you turned into a distraction. But psychology teaches us something profound. You can't change what you refuse to see. Conscience does not judge. It observes. He whispers, "This is what you've become." But it's not who you truly are. The next step is not to fight against who you are. It's to accept what you are. Acceptance is not weakness. It is strength. Accepting doesn't mean giving up. It means stopping lying to yourself. Psychology reminds us that suffering multiplies when we resist reality. But when you finally say, "Yes, that happened. It hurt, but it doesn't define me," it is at this moment that healing begins to breathe again. Acceptance is a daily practice, a commitment to welcoming oneself with kindness. View your wounds not as a failure, but as proof that you survived. To understand yourself, you need to have the courage to look back. The current version of you is built from every memory, every word, every silence. Psychology calls this the root of the pattern. Perhaps you learned early on that love has conditions. Perhaps you were told to be strong before you even had the chance to be fragile. Or perhaps you've never felt truly understood. Understanding your pain doesn't mean blaming the past. It means breaking the illusion that you're stuck in this. Each time you understand a part of your story, you regain a part of yourself that you had lost. Once you understand where your pain began, the next step is to reshape the story she created within you. The mind is a storyteller. For years it told you, "You are not enough. You will never heal." But every thought you believe in, you nurture. Everything you nurture grows. Reinterpreting the situation doesn't mean pretending everything is all right. It means choosing a wiser perspective. I failed. I learned. I am destroyed. I am rebuilding myself. Every choice that challenges old ways of thinking builds a new reality. Rebuilding your inner world is a sacred repetition. Until one morning, the inner voice stopped criticizing and started comforting. The transformation is only complete when thought transforms into action. Awareness and understanding mean nothing if they don't change your life. You start setting boundaries, saying no, stopping chasing after what drains you, and choosing peace. Change happens through small, silent decisions repeated daily. Each day you choose awareness instead of reaction, understanding instead of fear, compassion instead of guilt. When behavior changes, identity follows suit. You no longer seek peace, you become peace. There comes a point when you stop waiting to be saved. Emotional autonomy is the art of being at peace, even when the world is not. No one can take away from you what you no longer offer: your peace, your worth, your balance. Freedom from dependency. Freedom from old patterns. Freedom from needing others to feel complete. You respond instead of reacting. You become the calm in the midst of the storm. True power lies not in control, but in presence. With each sunrise, each moment of silence, each time you choose peace, another layer of your new self is born. Healing is not about becoming a different person. It's about remembering who you were before the world told you who you should be. Integration occurs when awareness, acceptance, understanding, and change take place. Eventually, this will become a single truth within you. You no longer seek happiness, you create it. Purpose is born the moment you decide to live consciously. Psychology can explain the mind, but courage heals the soul. Rebirth is continuous. Each sunrise, each silence, each act of choice is another layer of your new self. You're not broken. You were never broken. You were just becoming so. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone who needs a reminder of their own strength. Leave a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what part of your story are you ready to rewrite? This is the psychology of inner rebirth, and your new life begins now.